In this video we'll be unboxing the Corsair K55 RGB keyboard. So let's just open the box. So this is the keyboard. So let's see what all components are there. So there is the keyboard. There is the USB cable. So it's a rubber USB cable. You have a warranty guide. And there is a armrest which you can fit into the keyboard. So these are the components. So I have just plugged in the keyboard. So let's look at the different components. So you can see these media buttons here. You can increase the volume and control the playback. So you have the Windows lock button. You have the brightness. If you push it, you can increase and decrease the brightness of this keyboard. Lights. You have the macro recording key, which is the MR key. So you have to just hold this and then you have to just hold this and then record your macro and then just push back and it will record these macros. So you can use these macro buttons here, G1, G2, G3 to record different functions. Also, if you want to change the lighting, you can hold down function and hold on 1, then 2. So these are the different light settings. So you have to look at the manual and you can get an idea of what all settings you can change. So if I hold down the minus button, so these are different modes. So this is like the rainbow pattern right now. So this is the basic overview of this keyboard. Hope you found this helpful. I will leave the link in the description. So until next time, bye.